Find the unknown angles in the following diagrams. In this first diagram, I can spot the classic F shape. That means the angles are corresponding. And that means that these two angles are equal. And so A is going to be 125 degrees. In B, I can spot the classic C shape. And that means that these two angles add to 180. So B plus 61 is 180. And B therefore is 180 take away 61, which is 119 degrees. In this diagram, I've got the Z shape, but note it's a backward Z. That doesn't make any difference. These two angles are still inside the Z, and they are equal. So C is 136 degrees. Now the next couple of diagrams are a bit more complicated. So I'm going to start here because it's the first thing I've seen. I've got a Z there, and that means that F is equal to 53 degrees. If you have to give a reason, alternate angles, because we've got a Z. If we look here, we know the angles on a straight line add up to 180. So G is going to be 180 take away 121, which is 59 degrees. And that's angles on a straight line. Now this D I could have got from the beginning with a co-interior, just there. Or now that I have G, I could get it with a Z. Either way that you do that, it should be clear that D is going to be 59 degrees. So we've just got E to get. Now if you look at the top of the diagram, we have a straight line. So D, E and F add up to 180, and we already know D and F. Or we have a triangle where we know that the angles add up to 180, and we know G, and we were given this 53 to start with. So we know that D, which was 59, plus E, plus F, which we know is 53, is equal to 180, either using the straight line as indicated or using the triangle. And so we have that 59 add 53 is equal to 112. So E plus 112 is equal to 180. And that means that E is 180 take away 112, which is 68 degrees. Now let's move to our final diagram. So I'm going to start just here. I have an F shape. Corresponding angles are equal. So M is going to be 114 degrees. Over here, I have another F shape. And that tells me that L is going to be 123 degrees. So I just have N to get. Now remember we have a straight line here. And so this angle, which I'll mark with a dot, that angle there is going to be 180 take away 114, which is M. So that angle there is 66 degrees. This angle over here is going to be 180 take away L, because we've got a straight line there. So 180 take away 1, 2, 3 is 57. So that angle just there is 57 degrees. And the three angles in a triangle add to 180. So n, add 57, add 66 is equal to 180. So 57, add 66, 1, 2, 3. So n plus 1, 2, 3 is equal to 180, and that makes n equal to 57 degrees.